We'll guide you through how to rotate ruler in OneNote. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start button on your computer taskbar. Type OneNote into the search field and open the OneNote application from the search results. Once OneNote launches, open an existing notebook or create a new note page where you want to work. Navigate to the specific page where you plan to draw, sketch, or align content using the ruler tool. After the page is open, click the Draw tab located on the ribbon at the top of the window. Take a moment to review the available drawing tools displayed in the Draw section. Locate the ruler tool and click it to place a virtual ruler on the page. As soon as the ruler appears, observe its position across the note area and become familiar with how it is displayed on the screen. Move your cursor over the ruler so it becomes the active object. To rotate the ruler, use the mouse wheel on your computer. Scroll the wheel forward or backward to change the ruler's angle. As you continue scrolling, the ruler will gradually rotate to different positions. Keep adjusting the wheel until the ruler reaches the exact angle you need. While rotating the ruler, pay attention to the angle indicator displayed on it. This indicator helps you position the ruler more accurately and can be useful when working with precise measurements or drawing guidelines. Once the ruler reaches the desired angle, align it with the direction in which you want to draw or arrange content. Continue adjusting the ruler as many times as necessary until it matches the angle required for your notes or drawings. Take your time to fine-tune the position for the best results. When you are satisfied with the ruler placement and any lines you have drawn, continue working on your page as needed. OneNote will automatically save and sync your changes in the background.